In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Apple Maps history. We're focusing on the location history your iPhone stores to make suggestions and improve Maps related features, and we'll clear it safely for a fresh start. Begin by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. This is where Apple keeps all privacy controls that affect apps like Maps. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you see Privacy and Security. That's the section that manages what information your device collects and how it's used across the system. Inside Privacy and Security, tap Location Services. This is where your iPhone controls which apps can use your location and how. You don't need to turn anything off here for this process. We're heading deeper to reach the history that Apple Maps relies on for suggestions. Scroll down and choose System Services. These settings control location features built into iOS, not just individual apps. It includes things like Find My time zone settings and the location intelligence that powers Apple Maps. Now scroll until you see significant locations and tap it. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. This is normal and helps keep your location history secure. Significant locations is a private log your iPhone keeps to learn places important to you, like frequently visited areas. It's used to improve features such as route predictions and photo memories, and it's end-to-end encrypted. At the bottom of the significant location screen, tap Clear History. This removes the stored entries on your iPhone and resets those learned places. Before you proceed, it's helpful to know that this doesn't delete favorites in Maps or remove saved contacts or addresses. It specifically clears the learned locations used for suggestions and predictions. When the confirmation prompt appears, tap Clear History again to confirm. This double confirmation prevents accidental deletion, and once completed, your significant locations list will be empty. You might notice that suggested destinations in Apple Maps become less personalized right away, which is expected. Over time, your iPhone may begin learning new significant places as you go about your routine. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. You'll see a switch for significant locations at the top of that screen. Just be aware it controls whether your iPhone continues learning these places. Today we focused on clearing the history, and you can explore that setting later if you want. Also, if you were looking to remove recent searches in the Maps app itself, that's separate and handled directly inside Apple Maps. And that's it. Your Apple Maps history is cleared, giving you a clean slate and a little extra privacy.